Yo, what's good, crypto fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we bringing you a good gem, a perfect gem for the Kusama network. It's looking like Kusama's about to take off, guys. Kusama soon, the parachain is about to go live and it's about to take off. As of right now, today, it had cracked over $300. So, if you guys haven't got your Kusama yet, you're starting to lose out on time to get your Kusama. Your Kusama bags will grow within the next few months. To be honest, your Kusama is going to be big, but we're not talking about Kusama today. We're going to be talking about the project coming on to Kusama, which is called Zeitgeist. But before we get into talking about that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 5K subscribers, so if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. Comment anything in the comment section down below. Most importantly, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also check out the Patreon and the Discord. And let's get right into the video, guys. So we are excited to announce Zeitgeist, an evolving blockchain for prediction markets and energy. Zeitgeist is built for Polkadot, and the Kusama ecosystem envisions itself as a hub and ecosystem for the prediction markets on the Web3. Well, on Web3. So it's looking like it's going to be building exclusively on Kusama for the prediction markets, and it's looking to be the hub of all prediction markets in the Polkadot ecosystem. So in the Kusama ecosystem. At the core, Zeitgeist is an open prediction market platform that is built with the Polkadot's blockchain framework substrate. Zeitgeist builds ideas and concepts that float around in the prediction markets technology and literature over a decade. However, it will push these boundaries further to accomplish the following. Like we stated, Zeitgeist will deploy as a Kusama parachain to enjoy cross-chain interoperability with all parachains and applications in the Kusama and Polkadot ecosystem. Zeitgeist will be a community owned by the token holders of the platform, where the base protocol can evolve over time with the new input from its users and informed by new research that is discovered. Zeitgeist will apply the concept of feudary as one of the primary governance mechanisms for the base layer chain, and will be one of the examples to use the experimental governance system economic environment. Zeitgeist will use on-chain treasury which will incentivize teams to build on the protocol and create prediction market vertical, which will benefit the network. An open SDK will be deployed to enable engineers and entrepreneurs to deploy their own applications on Zeitgeist based on prediction markets. So like what they're planning on doing is having being a hub, like they said before, being a hub for all prediction markets. So if you want to build a prediction market, you can build on top of Zeitgeist, which is also built on the Kusama network, right? Zeitgeist is not only building a platform but an ecosystem for prediction markets. We're creating a community where participants can have a voice in how the protocol changes over time. Provides the best interface to decentralized prediction markets and primitives. Not only does it include implementation of categorical, scalar, and combinatorial prediction markets, but also as innovation in trading mechanisms such as liquidity sensitive logarithmic market scoring rule. By using Zeitgeist SDK, developers and builders will be able to quickly get started integrating the Zeitgeist protocol as a backend to their application based on prediction markets. Zeitgeist's goal is to deploy as a parachain on Kusama in late 2021, so around summertime to the end of 2021, we could see Zeitgeist actually deploy as a parachain. So, and this is the team as of right now. They have their team all laid out. We will also see them on their website. But now we're going to talk about what is prediction markets for those that actually don't know what a prediction market is. And they actually do have three types of prediction markets, right? Prediction markets are markets that trade assets which are tied to potential outcomes of future events. They are tools for aggregating information from a diverse set of participants and create strong probability signal for future events. So like basically what a prediction market is, you could actually bet on an outcome of something. So basically this, right, during the Super Bowl, I signed up for a prediction market. I forgot what it's called. I think it's catnip or something, right? And betted that the Bucks would win the Super Bowl. And that was basically it. It's an open betting platform. Some of them are open betting platforms. You just bet on what the outcome is going to be. So if you're into betting, that's essentially what a prediction market is. The first type of prediction market that Zeitgeist has is a categorical prediction market. Is a market that have multiple outcome of different categories. You can think of a sports tournament where there are multiple teams that could be a potential winner of the tournament. The market in this example would ask which team will win the tournament, and each category would be different. Will be a different team. The most basic form of prediction markets, the binary prediction market, is really a categorical market with only two categories of outcome: yes and no. You have a scalar prediction market. Is a market that has a range of possible outcomes, and participating in this market resembles going long or short on the current price. Scalar markets are useful for numerical outcomes such as financial markets. Example market would ask what will be the price of Bitcoin on April 24th, 2021, and set a minimum and maximum price such as 40k, 60k. Buying a long asset would mean you think the price will be closer to 60k, while buying a short asset would mean you think the price will be closer to 40k. Scalar markets can also be used as leverage if you tighten the range that is being traded. Now you have the third type of prediction market, which is a combinatorial prediction market. Allows traders to place wagers on compositions and interconnected outcomes. For example, let's take a scenario in which a public company wants to use a prediction market to get a better idea of how a particular strategy impacts their market capitalization. They could make a combinatorial wager on the price of their shares after a certain date, posed on whether or not a particular strategy is implemented. Combinatorial markets are ideal for aggregating precise information. The liquidity sensitive logarithmic market scoring rule, LSLMSR, is an automated market maker based on the original MSR designed by Robin Hassan. Right. Without this, it requires maintenance from the liquidity providers to change parameters in order to keep it efficient. LSLMR SR is a perfect fit for prediction market trading and will likely be necessary for Zeitgeist combinatorial markets. So, what is Futurgy? Futurgy is a governance system that makes policy decisions according to the signals that are produced by prediction markets, right? So that's basically a brief overview of Zeitgeist and its three types of, prediction markets. Now we're going on to the website here. We already went over what Zeitgeist is, but we're going to look more towards what else they have. Basically, we already know it's built on Substrate, it's permissionless and unstoppable, powered by the ZTG token, scalable and affordable, right? And then it's basically governed by the users. It's an evolving protocol. The core, where are we going to right here? Okay, here we go. Applications that is going to be used on Zeitgeist, right? Sports and esports betting sites can allow fans to further share the excitements of their favorite team by allowing them to trade positions in real time. Then you got politics. Prediction markets on politics are one of the best mechanisms for aggregate information about the political race that we know of. They're also allowed to hedge against possible outcomes. Then you got insurance. Markets for various events can act as decentralized insurance by hedging outcomes. Then you got cryptocurrency, of course. And then you got startups and you got Futurgy. This is where I wanted to talk about their roadmap. So their roadmap right now for Q1 of 2021 is the launch of the Battery Park testnet. Battery Park beta testnet will act as our testing bed as we implement the full logic of testnet. This will also start the testnet incentive program. Q2, you will have implement core logic and launch front end. Core modules of Zeitgeist blockchain will be implemented over this time, such as the core and Futurgy governance mechanisms and improvements on the prediction market trading. Basically, then Q3, you will have the launch of the Zeitgeist network. So Q3 is when we're really going to see Zeitgeist in full effect via a Kusama pair chain, right? Then Q4, you'll have the Zeitgeist Futurgy the DAO and liquidity mining programs. And here's the team again. The founder, CEO is there, David Perry as the CIO, and Chris Hutchison as the CMO. And then you got, don't want to butcher his name, Alex, essentially, as the community ambassador. So that's basically what Zeitgeist is. It's going to be building prediction markets for the Kusama network. So this is looking like a good project to keep your eyes out on. Remember, follow them on Twitter, get in their Telegram so you get all the information as fast as possible before they launch. And you want to figure out how they will launch. Will they launch as an IDO on Polkastarter, Pools, soon to be Polka Launch, or even paid network? But we just have to wait to see how they're going to launch. But let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, you know the deal. Please subscribe. We're on the road to 5K subscribers. So if you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to like the video. Comment anything in the comment section down below. And most importantly, of course, hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.